The lungs are occupying major portion of the thoracic cavity, leave little space for the heart, which excavates more of the left lung. The two lungs hold the heart tight in between them, providing protection which it rightly deserves. There are 10 bronchopulmonary segments in each lung. The lungs are a pair of respiratory organs situated in the thoracic cavity. Now each lung imaginates the corresponding pleural cavity. The right and left lungs are separated by the mediastinum. The lungs are spongy in texture. In the young, lungs are brown to grey in color. Gradually, they become mottled black because of the deposition of inhaled carbon particles. The right lung weighs about 700 grams and it is about 50 to 100 grams heavier than the left lung. Each lung is conical in shape. It has an apex at the upper end. It has a base resting on the diaphragm. It has three borders: anterior border, posterior border, and the inferior border. It has two surfaces: the costal surface and the medial surface. The medial surface is further divided into the vertebral surface and the mediastinal part. The apex is blunt and lies above the level of the anterior end of the first rib, reaches nearly 2.5 cm above the medial one-third of the clavicle, just medial to the supraclavicular fossa, covered by the cervical pleura, the suprapleural membrane, and is grouped by the subclavian artery on the medial side and anterior. The base is semilunar and concave. It is resting on the diaphragm, which separates the right lung from the right lobe of the liver and the left lung from the left lobe of the liver, the fundus of the stomach, and also the spleen. The anterior border is very thin, shorter than the posterior border. On the right side, it is vertical and corresponds to the anterior or the costal mediastinal line of the pleural reflection. The anterior border of the left lung shows a wide cardiac notch below the level of the fourth costal cartilage. The heart and the pericardium are not covered by the lung in this region of the notch. Coming to the posterior border, it is thick and indefined, corresponds to the medial margin of the heads of the ribs, extending from the level of the 7th cervical spine to the 10th thoracic spine. The inferior border separates the base from the costal surface. Base of the costal surface is large and convex in contact with the costal pleura and the overlying thoracic wall. The medial surface is divided into a posterior or a vertebral part and anterior or the mediastinal. The vertebral part is related to the vertebral bodies, the intervertebral disc, the posterior intercostal vessels, and the splanchnic nerves. The mediastinal part is related to the mediastinal septum and shows the cardiac impression, the hilum, and a number of other impressions which are differing on both the two sides. Fissures and lobes of the lung. The right lobe is divided into three lobes, upper, middle, and lower, by two fissures, that is the oblique fissure and the horizontal fissure. The left lung is subdivided into two lobes by an oblique fissure. In the oblique fissure on both the right and the left, the right has another additional horizontal fissure. The oblique fissure cuts the whole thickness of the lung except at the hilum. It is passing obliquely towards downwards and forwards, crossing the posterior border about 6 centimeter from the below the apex and about 5 centimeter from the median plane. Due to the oblique plane of the fissure, the lower lobe is more posterior and the upper and the middle lobes are more anterior. In the right lung, the horizontal fissure passes from the anterior border up to the oblique fissure and it separates a wedge-shaped middle lobe from the upper border. Now, this fissure runs horizontally at the level of the fourth costal cartilage and meets the oblique fissure in the mid-axillary line. The tongue-shaped projection of the left lung below the cardiac notch is called the lingula. It is corresponding to the middle lobe of the right lung. The lungs expand maximally in the inferior direction because movements of the thoracic wall and the diaphragm are maximal towards the base of the lung. The presence of the oblique fissure of each lung allows a more uniform expansion of the whole lung. Surface marking of the lung is same as that of the visceral fluid, which we have done previously. Coming to the root of the lung,